This is my sweet basil. I'm growing in a cup in the window. That's not what I wanted to show you. These are strawberries that I ordered online from Gurney's. Now, I don't get paid by these guys. It's a free plug. I'm just showing this because I've been ordering strawberries for a very long time. And this is the first time that I've ever received any that was this healthy, that are already growing inside the bag. Now, I did get these about 4 or 5 days ago, and I did put a little hole in. I added some water because I didn't want them to dry out. But wow, I'm really impressed with how much and how fast these have grown already. So, like I said, just wanted to show these to you, and if you feel to give these guys a plug, that's fine too. But I'm real happy with what I got, and I just wanted to share it with everybody.